Today's meal looks familiar, light soup and fufu, but the way it came together is a little different. I usually roast my protein and vegetables to build flavor quickly, but today my husband took over the kitchen. He boiled his vegetables instead and added carrots at the end and let it be different. Seasoned Life Kitchen isn't about doing things one way. It's about nourishment that fits the season you're in, even when that means releasing control. Once the lamb is roasted, he boils it together with the vegetables. This is different from how I usually would cook, but there's something grounding about allowing time to do the work instead of forcing flavor. Not every meal needs speed. Sometimes it needs patience, especially when someone else is cooking with care. Once the vegetables are fully boiled, he blends them until smooth. No stress about perfection, just enough to create a clean, balanced base. The blended mixture is poured back into the pot, returning to the broth it came from. This step matters. It creates cohesion, everything coming back together in one place. Life works that way too. When the soup is simmered, he adds in seasoning for taste. Carrots are also added towards the end, keeping their texture and natural sweetness. The carrots are added not because it's traditional, but because nourishment evolves with the people you're feeding. This pot feeds us differently. Rice for my daughter, fufu for us. Same soup, different rhythms. If you're in a season where you're learning to share the load, this meal is for you. And if today's food didn't follow your usual method, that's still nourishment. Cooking doesn't have to look perfect to serve its purpose.